Good morning, students. Today I am going to teach you one poem from your literature book. No Men Are Foreign. No Men Are Foreign is written by James Kirkup. In this poem, the poet tells us about the brotherhood that the whole world is ours. No one is a stranger. Here, foreign means a stranger. Okay. So, come to the poem. All of you open your book and go through the stanza. Remember, no men are strange, no country is foreign. Beneath all uniforms, a single body breathes. Like ours, the land our brothers walk upon is earth like this in which we all shall lie. Means the poet is telling that, remember, no country, no man are strange, and we all are living under this uniform sky, and we all have in our body a single body breaths like ours, and the land where we walk upon is of our brothers, and this is the earth on which we all are living is the same for everyone. Means nothing is different for anybody, everything is equal, distributed among all of us, either sky, land or air. They too aware of sun and air and water are fed by peaceful harvest, by war's long winter a star, their hands are ours, and in their lines we read a labor not different from own. Means now the poet is telling that we all are safe. No one is different from us because we are living on the same earth, we are taking the same sun, air and water, and we are also fed by the same harvest which is grown by the farmers, and their hands are ours, and in their lines we read a labor not different from our own. Means we all are same, we get the food like everybody get the food, not only we eat the food, all the people, those who are living in this world in any part of the country, they all are getting the same harvest. Remember, they have eyes like ours that wake or sleep, and strength that can be owned by love. In every land is common life that all can recognize and understand. And we also remember that they all have, means everybody has same eyes like ours, and like when we wake or sleep, they also wake or sleep, and they all have strength can be owned by, and if we want to gain the strength, the power, we can only gain by the love. We have to love with each other. In every land, the life is common that all can recognize and understand. Means we either we are living in any part of the world, we all have the same habits, we all have the very common things upon us. So we all live like brothers, we all think that the whole world is ours, no one is a stranger for us, no countries are foreign. Let us remember, whenever we are told to hate our brothers, it is ourselves that we shall dispose, betray, condemn. Remember, we who take arms against each other. No, we have to remember, let us remember, when somebody told that person is not good, that religion is not good, that community is not good, and they started to put hatred among us, and we started hating with each other. So what was the result of that? We have become the enemy of each other, and we try to kill them, we try to hate them, we try to make distance from them. So that is not good for our world. That we shall dispose, betray and condemn, means our duty to condemn them. No, all religions are same, all persons are same, all are human beings, and we know that we are only and only human beings, nothing apart from that. And remember, when some peoples feel hatred in our body, on that time we take the gun, we took the arms against each other. It is the human earth that we define. Our hells of fire and dust outrage the innocence of air that is everywhere our own. Remember, no man are foreign and no country is strange. Means कि we the human being only defile the earth. Defile means make dirty. Means we the human being only make the earth dirtiest place. Okay, our hails of fire and dust outrages the innocence. Means our angers, our hatred killed the innocence of air that is everywhere our own. But when we think that with the whole the air of the world is ours and we can breathe that air anywhere in this world, so how the peoples of that particular area or that particular land became stranger, became our enemy? Because when we go there, we also take the same food, air and water. Remember, always we have to remember that no man are foreign and no country is strange. Means from this poem, the poet wants to tell us that we have to love each other. We never hate with anyone and we always respect others and we always think that they all are our brothers and sisters, and then we live peacefully. Thank you. Have a nice day.